everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and simple process on how to log into your Aviator Mastercard online. So in order to do that, keep watching the video till the end, and if you are not yet, you can subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell right next to it so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started. Start off by opening up your preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile device. Go to the URL box and type in www.aviatormastercard.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you can see the sign-in area for the card members on the right-hand side. Go ahead and enter your username in the first text box that is associated with your account, and on the next field, type in your correct password. If you are having trouble remembering your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. After filling in both of your credentials, click on the Login button, and that is how you'll be able to log in and access your Aviator Mastercard online account. That's how it can be done. I hope you learned how you can easily access your Mastercard for Aviator. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.